to be able to see. This person's doing. Okay, well you can do that while you're driving. But we are officially in Canada. Wasn't too bad going through the border. I don't know what was up with the 4 cars in front of us who were taking forever, but we got through it pretty quick once it was our turn. So we have about 40 minutes until we get to Stanley Park. We have made it to Stanley Park.
Hello, Birdie.
Where one of the parking things was broken. And getting through downtown Vancouver was an adventure. But we made it.
Whose idea was this?
Gotta play in the sand everywhere. We have left the seawall and are now venturing into the woods. It's not the woods, what is it? Oh, okay. Staring me down. If I scroll. There's stuff going out of other dead stuff. We've made it out of the woods and found pretty flowers. But there's your sunflowers, Isabella.
Oh.
No. No. You want seeds, you can get sunflower seeds from the grocery store.
And plant them. Yeah, that's what we would do if I got the seeds for free.
We planted sunflowers last year.
Uh-huh.
Remember?
No.
You had a sunflower in the backyard, Isabella.
And
Remember?
it was very tall.
It was very tall.
It went all the way up to space. No, it didn't. And I want to be able to see my flower.
Look at all the roses.
Ooh.
Red ones, orange ones, pink ones, yellow ones. Mm-hmm.
Through the what? What is that?
This.
Can I smell the flowers?
You can smell them right here. You can go up to the ones that are in the center. Make sure you don't smell one with the bee in it.
Okay.
They've all got bees in them. They're all pollinating and doing what they're supposed to.
We're eating our picnic and we see a black squirrel. We don't have those in South Carolina. We just got the regular gray ones.
No, they're brown.
Christian says they're brown. They're gray.
Maybe that's what they're called.
Yeah, that's what they're called.
But their actual color is brown. So apparently if you see a brown squirrel, don't think their name is brown.
Okay. We have come to North Vancouver to Lynn Canyon. We came here the last time we cruised to Alaska when Christian was much smaller. And we went to the main parking lot for the park and it was totally full. But luckily we came up to the Lynn headwaters and there's actually quite a lot of parking up here.
There's a lot of parking.
So if you're coming here, maybe come to this parking lot because there's actually a lot of it. Right now there is seasonal pay parking and it's $2.50 an hour Canadian. So we paid for 3 hours just to be safe and now we're going into the woods. Or is it a forest, Christian? Forest? Okay, forest. Woods. Okay, so we're gonna go to the right to where it says Lynn Canyon Park. Okay? Is it cold, Bells?
Yes.
But look at how clear it is.
This is apparently the spot to bring your doggies.
Uh-huh. Because there's 1, 2, a splash.
Yeah, but a bunch just left, right? A little over 1.5 feet.
There's so much water.
For those of you who are watching, you may not know Lynn Canyon, but if you have watched the Disney movie Descendants, you have seen it. Don't go too far. No, because I don't think you can make it there.
I can't.
crossing a bridge, not the suspension bridge, but there's whatever body of water it is all the way down there. Scary water. I like it. We are at 30-foot pool where there is 1,000,000,000,000,000 people. Okay, not that many, but there's a ton of people here because it is quite nice out and it is Sunday. Try not to get people in, but there is a pool where that with people jumping in. But the water is very clear and very cold. Making our way back on the Valley Trail to the parking lot. Sorry, it's shaky going down steps. Probably. We are at our hotel and we have Canadian McDonald's because we wanted to try things that we do not have in America. There is a message on the phone or something. Okay, Christian got the
Bacon Deluxe McCrispy.
with no lettuce and no tomatoes. All right, so take a bite.
And no cheese.
Take a bite.
Yummy.
Is it good? I mean, it's chicken and bacon. Okay, don't lose the mayo out the back, please. Bella got regular, boring, old chicken McNuggets and fries because, yeah. So, what do we want to try first? We have the sweet chili McWrap, poutine, the, what was it?
Crispy habanero McChicken.
And the double Big Mac for science. So what do we want to try first?
You can try your spicy taco.
I like that. And the heat comes in a bit at the end. The lettuce is nice. I accidentally ordered the grilled chicken one instead of the crispy, but it's still really good.
Oh, if you get the bacon McCrispy, put the mayonnaise down to light.
Okay, there's too much.
You're gonna have a waterfall of it.
Okay, good to know. The cucumbers are good in there.
Yeah, they're really good. I really like it. It's a sweet heat to it. I really like that.
But if you like eating mayonnaise on its own, you can do that.
Okay.
Habanero McChicken.
Yeah.
Tastes like a good McChicken. It's not very spicy, but it's still really good.
Can you please stop spinning the chair? Because you're hitting me. There's a little heat, But I mean, it's good.
Did you go out of your way for it?
No. Alright. Double Big Mac. From what we've heard, the extra meat throws off the ratio because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 burger patties in there.
I'm not eating.
Oh, let's give this a try.
Kristen, do you want to try my nuggets?
I mean, it's fine.
Oh.
There's a lot more like meat to it, obviously. And the sauce,
Yes, it's all.
I don't think Big Mac sauce is the same here.
Interesting.
Yeah.
It's good though.
Sorry about
Can you try the poutine?
It's okay. You little
But he also ordered it with no onions and no pickles, so it tastes different.
It's because I don't like onions or pickles.
Alright, and now the poutine with the biodegradable fork.
What's it made out of?
Wood.
Wood.
It's pretty good.
Biodegradable. But there's a little bit of ketchup.
Poutine's really good. The gravy is nice and rich. The cheese curd is nice and tasty.
It's not bad for a fast food poutine. All right.
No, it's not.
Big Mac.
Yeah, definitely slightly off, but still really good. I mean, I like it.